Working.
So
how long have you been awake then, Bruce?
I've been awake all night, never been to sleep whatsoever.
What time is it now? 3:45 or something?
4:45 in the morning now.
Yeah.
And, it's still blowing about 90 miles an hour outside, as it has been doing all night.
How did you feel when we got here last night?
Absolutely, couldn't feel my feet, couldn't feel my toes. Gosh, still can't feel my toes.
Couldn't feel your hands.
Yeah, just been outside for a pee, but it's froze as a peed. That's how cold it is up here at the moment.
Just like a freight train going past all the time, isn't it?
It is, yeah. Yeah. Anyhow, what we're going to do now is try and get a bit more sleep. Now we've relieved ourselves, and
See what it's like in the morning.
see what it's. Well, it is morning, but see what it's like in a couple of hours, and see if we can get down somehow.
Yeah.
Okay then. See you soon.
Good morning. Day one and final day of our intrepid adventure. And we're eating porridge, which is very nice, from melted some snow, which I got around the back. I haven't told Bruce yet there are a load of sheep around there. It's a bit wild. You glad you came, Bruce?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm warm until I go outside. My feet are just above freezing, and
Your hands aren't blue anymore.
my hands aren't blue anymore, and I reckon the wind outside is about gusting between 60 and 70 miles an hour, and I should imagine it's got a wind chill factor of about -9. Other than that, it's a grand morning.
Visibility is quite good outside.
But the visibility is superb. It's really clear. You can see all the mountain tops. Which when I come out when I get all dressed up and whatnot to go out, I'll put my cam on my head and we'll have a walk around. Okie dokie. See you soon. That's Simon's porridge.
Getting a bit thick now.
I've lost the thing off my mic. That's gone and out though, it's here. There you are. Can you hear me now? My pouch has gone anyhow. Here we are, we're all set up. There's Simon. Yeah, this is where we was camped last night, just down here. You'll see the sheep. As you see, it's a bit bleak. Those up there look stunning, don't they? It was a wild and windy night. I reckon it was about -5 or 6, maybe more, with a wind chill factor of about -20. It's really windy now actually. So what we're going to do now, see that's where we was camped. What we're going to do now is, you can see that lake down there. Walk down that side of that lake. I'll just show you. And we're going to go up there, up here, up here, and go right across there, the side of that lake, down there, and right across there, between them two ridges. Yup. God, that wind's cold. Yeah. I would like to go for a swim in there. No way. Not a way. You see that tree? I don't know if you can see it moving slightly. My nose is running. See that tree moving? Yeah, camped underneath it. We'll just get walking away and it'll come tumbling down a bit. Anyhow, I'm going to sign off because I'll get my backpack off and we'll get walking.
Actually, that's the house, isn't it? So the shed was sheltered.
Yeah, the shed was lower than that, yeah. Yeah, because we had to walk up to the house, didn't we?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
So you were well sheltered, weren't you, really?
It was, wasn't it?
It's mad.
God heavens knows what it would be like if it came out here. Yeah, you think the wind, there we are, sat having a little snack. We're having dried fruit. did the Three Peaks that time with Jeremy and Ken. It's like that, isn't it?
It's only one day, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's constant.
One day, well, we've got 2 days of it, haven't we?
Yeah.
Sat in a sheep shelter, as you can see, by all the sheep shit.